Guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Korobi Moran here. So in the last video of my introductory video, I told you that currently I am studying BS second semester English honors, and I'll be showing you today my books of first semester. Okay, so there will be two books which will guide you as to what you have to buy for the first semester. First semester, you see, this is Indian classical literature, which will be called paper 101. This is European classical literature, which will be called 102. And in this both of these books, you will get to see that under Indian classical literature, which books will come and which are under your syllabus, that is CBCS. So here you can see that, look, the first will be classical Sanskrit drama, that is Abhijnanam Sakuntalam. The second will be an epic, which is the Mahabharata. All of you know what is Mahabharata. Mahabharata is an epic. It is a mythical. It is in our Indian mythology. It is an Indian mythology epic book, which is written by Ved Vyas, which was written by Ved Vyas, and this will be in our syllabus for the first semester English honors. Then in unit 3 you will find one Sanskrit drama that is called Mritsakatika by Sudraka. This is a very good book. You will get to know about the 12th century India, which was growing. Again, for the last unit, for the fourth unit, you will find one classical Assamese drama, which is Parijata Harna. In first semester English honors, you will get two epic. One is from the Indian classical literature, which is the Mahabharata. Another one is from the European classical literature, which is the Iliad. I have the Iliad book. This is the Iliad. This is the epic. This is the epic you will have to study in the European classical literature section. And Mahabharata. This is the Mahabharata that you will have to study for the Indian classical literature section. Okay, these two epics. Now, for the European classical literature, you will have to buy, for the first unit, you will get the epic, the Iliad. Yes, this is the Iliad. Then for the second unit, the name of the book is Antigone. This is Antigone. Then for the third unit, that is the Pot of Gold by Plautus. Yeah. My pronunciation may be different from yours, but whatever it is, you will get to know. Everyone have a different way of pronouncing things, isn't it? So my English may be different from yours, but not to get confused. Do not get confused by my English. Okay. For the fourth unit, you will get selections from Metamorphoses and Ovid. And for the fifth unit, you will get Horace's satires. You know satires? Satires is a form of poetry. Yeah, that is you will get. Okay, now I will show you whatever books I have. I don't have the Horace's satires and Metamorphoses, but other than that, I have got Antigone. You can buy this one. Then for it, I will show you the books for European classical literature. I have got only 3 books for the European classical literature. That is, one is Plautus, the Pot of Gold. The another one is the epic, the Homer's Iliad, and the third one is Antigone by Sophocles. These 3 books are with me. Other than that, I do not possess the others. Then for the Indian classical literature, you have to buy Mritsakatika. Yeah, Mritsakatika by Sudraka. Then the another one is Parijat Harna. Then it is Kalidas's Abhijnanam Sakuntalam. Then and the last one is the Mahabharata. These are all for Indian classical literature and European classical literature, and all total I have these books. This is the Pot of Gold. This is the Iliad. Then this is Antigone. This is Mritsakatika. Then this is the Abhijanam Sakuntalam, or what? No, this is the Parijatharana. The one above it is Abhijanam Sakuntalam. Then this is the epic Mahabharata, and this is the main text this is the main text Indian classical literature, and this is the main text European classical literature. You can get a summary from both these books even if you do not possess all the books. So overall, this is all an introductory video for whoever wants to take English as a major course for graduation. This video helps you in buying the books of first semester, and if you have any queries regarding the books and where to get it, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye bye everyone.